Hello people, so welcome back into this channel, and this video is gonna be a tutorial about TikTok application, and I would like to show you the way how to share your TikTok profile into your friends, and you can gain a lot of friends on a TikTok. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your TikTok application and make sure that you are jump into your profile section. And in this profile section you will see, like, in this part right after or below your profile picture, there will be two options, which is the edit profile and share profile. So now you just need to go click this share profile and you will get a QR code. You can just ask your friend to scan this QR code directly, and then they will be generated into your TikTok account. But then if you want to send it into another account or another social media or application, you just need to go click copy the link and open the application that you want to share with, or directly go click share profile and choose what type of application that you want to send from. So that's the way how to share your profile or TikTok profile into your friends. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you